Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a meal prep, which I'm going to make my fluffy keto pancakes. So let's get started. Today I'm going to do a meal prep for breakfast. I have some Genio sausage links in the skillet here. These are turkey breast sausages, cooking that for breakfast. And I'm also making some fluffy pancakes, keto pancakes. In my food processor, I have half a cup of almond flour, and I have 1/4 cup of oat fiber. Okay, Anthony's organic oat fiber. There it is. Okay. A teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 1 pack of stevia. And now I'm gonna blend this up. Okay, I'm gonna blend it up. This is all dry ingredients that I'm blending up now. 3 eggs. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that up. I added a half a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna add a pinch of sea salt. Okay, I'm adding the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And we'll go ahead and mix it again. Okay, there you see it. I'm gonna go ahead and make some pancakes with that. I'm gonna hook up my my small dash here to make the pancakes. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the dash with some coconut oil. Okay, I still have my PJs on because I'm cooking breakfast, so don't be alarmed. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out so I can put it in a plate, but it makes a beautiful fluffy pancake. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more batter. And also to the top, add some batter here. I'm gonna add a little more than I did for the first one. The first one came out kind of small, so I'm gonna add a full tray of batter. Okay. That's what the first one looked like. It's a little small, so I take that. Okay, I'm taking this one out. This is after probably about, I would say 5 minutes. I'm gonna add it to the other plate over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray it to make another pancake. Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. Cook 1 egg. And do that. And just break the yolk. And I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to the egg. And close it down for a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to take the egg out. Add it to this plate over there. And I'm going to cook 1 more egg. And for my plate. Add a little salt. A little pepper. Close it down. Okay, I'm taking this egg out of the dash. And going on my plate. And now I'm going to add the last pancake, I believe. Let's see, will it make 2? Oh, might make another small one. If I hadn't made the first one so small, it probably would have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really nice size pancakes. Okay, since this one has been sitting for a while, I'm going to go ahead and microwave it for a few minutes, like 45 seconds. You need a knife. There's a knife on the cutting board over there. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.